It's another beautiful day, and I'm gonna take advantage of it by installing some hanging baskets on my front porch. So this is a pretty basic install, but these hanging baskets are gonna do a lot for my curb appeal, and adding that pop of color to the porch is really gonna help the house stand out. I just need a few basic tools to get the job done. I'm gonna need some hooks, a ladder, a drill, and some drill bits. I'll need a pencil, and the most important thing, a tape measure. Let's get started. So I ordered these hooks off of Amazon, and they're pretty much your standard hanging hook, but one of the things I liked about these was it has this little clasp here to keep whatever you're hanging secure on the hook. I don't know how necessary that's gonna be for hanging baskets, but down the road if we wanna hang something else like string lights, it may come in handy. Now another thing I liked about these is that they came with their own driver bit, and you can see there's a slot in this bit that the hook fits right into, and this ought to make installing these hooks pretty easy. So I'm going to start by taking measurements of each segment where I'm going to be hanging the baskets. This is the main segment here, and I've got 3 hanging baskets, and I know I want one to be centered, and then the other 2 are going to be 32 inches on either side of that. I need to drill a small pilot hole to install these hooks, so I'm going to use a 1/8 inch drill bit, and I'm going to drill right into the mark that I made here. And now I'm going to install the hook using the slotted drill bit that it came with. I'm going to test this out and see how it works. Awesome. All the hooks are in, and I can't believe how easy it was to use that slotted drill bit. It saved me a ton of time, and I would definitely recommend something like that. If you're a perfectionist, however, I did want to show you this. If you can see this, some of that white coating around the hook rubbed off when using that bit. I don't think it's a big deal. I don't think you're ever going to see it, but certainly something to take note of. If you'd like to see other projects and more tips for dads, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Dad Built DIY. See you next time.